What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, where today we are back with another today we're back with Don't Press the Button. We're actually not back with Don't Press the Button, sorry about that. Well, let's play this game. Hey. Ah. No, this one's mine. Okay, let's turn off the leaderboard. Oh. Hey, this one's mine. Okay, let's just... Alright, let's go. Alright, got two. Oh. You're so lucky. You're so lucky. Oh, the birds. Okay, looks like I pressed the button. Oh my. What the heck? This is like the universe. Oh. Okay, press the button. Oh! Looks like we're the only one twos. I won. Oh. What the? Aw, come on, we're doing this again. Yeah. Alright, maybe Alright. Oh, come on. No, I'm gonna be the one. Yeah, I was the one. Bong. It's mine. Bong. Oh, bong. Ow. I got 15. I have more than you. Oh my god, I have more than others. Oh, what's the most points? Yeah, I'm the winner. Let's go. Yeah, I pressed the button. Who's that guy? Uh-oh. I will protect you. Come on, let's run away together and go on an island. Never mind. I'm not bringing you. You decide on your own. Okay, Linden Chef. More like London. Anyways, never mind about that. Let's just here. Alright, let's go. Let's get together one. Oh, don't worry. Alright, we got the X. Let's go. Oh, someone a diamond. Aw, come on. Oh my god. What is it? Oh.
Yummy.
I like singing. I like dancing.
I like trains.
Oh my! Oh. Is that a bacon talking to this guy? Oh my! Are you trying to punch him? He's my friend.
Yummy,
He's
yummy.
my friend. I love him. Oh my. Wait, what? You know, maybe. Man, this guy's so cool. Man, I love this dude. He's so cool. He is so cool. I love him. I like you. You're cool. Get up. Come on. No. 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 No, this guy died. Are you kidding me? What the? What the? This just appeared on me. Anyways, yeah. Oh! No! No! Oh! No! Oh, come on. Oh! No, I'm the only one. No! Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh my goodness! Oh God. Oh, this is soccer. Just like from daycare to the story. I used to play this game back in the day when I first joined Roblox. Yeah, I used to play that game ever since my account was created. Ever since my account was born. I used to play that game. No! Oh my God, that was so close. No, not me. Yes, no, not me. No, don't put me in this situation. What's it? No. No, don't put me in this situation. No. Oh. Oh. What is it? It's time for a trip of what is step of 20? 20. Why are you laughing? Alright, let's just find the ladder. Oh, they added a new update to Park Robbie. Yeah, I've been seeing a lot even before I started uploading. Yeah. Wait a minute, but where's the sign? There used to be a sign that would say, I finished the obby and I'm proud. What the? Looks like they removed it. Sad. That's sad. Okay, let's do it again. Oh. I pressed the button.
It's the most beautiful thing I've ever seen in my life. It's a banana next to a banana.
Banana. What the? Why are you all? Go take a picture. Hey, oi. I can be in the picture. I want. No. I am. Look at that. Nice picture. It is literally... What do you mean nice picture? Look at this. It's literally like showing my feet. It's showing my feet. What the heck? Oh! We just got somebody! Yes. Let's go. No, I'm gonna get you too. You two are... I'm gonna get... Y'all could call me pro, because I am. Oh, come on. It was worth a try. I guess I got everybody. Especially you, I guess. Alright. Alright, let's go. Alright, Lyndon the chef is missing ingredients. Go to the It's missing the ingredients to bake a cake. Go find them. Alright, we got 47 seconds. Looks like we got everything we need. Hey, I wanna see. Let me see. Whoa! It's a cake!
Yummy.
Yum.
Yummy.
Yum.
Yummy.
Yum. Oh, but anyways, guys. Oh. What is this thing? What? No! How? Oh my god. Actually, that's a new thing. But anyways, guys, that is going to be it for me today. If you guys did enjoy this video, then please do like and subscribe. I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye. Don't forget my cool dance.